Hi guys, I have an unboxing today. It's not a Stitch Fix unboxing. That is coming. My next Stitch Fix was just shipped. I got a notification. Sometimes, since I'm not that far from a distribution center, sometimes I get the Stitch Fix the next day. So I might get it tomorrow, which is Saturday, or I might get it Monday. So you will see an unboxing by early next week of my Stitch Fix. But meanwhile, what I got was a new Grove Collaborative. I said I would do an update after I did my first Grove Collaborative a few months ago. I'll put a link to that below. What Grove Collaborative is, it is a place where you can get natural cleaners, natural household products, and it is sort of like a subscription service. When I first got my first box, I wasn't actually sure how it worked. What you do is they select items they suspect you will like, and they show them to you. And then you can keep them in your cart, or you can take them out of your cart. You can also add things to your cart from anywhere on their website, so you have their whole catalog to select from, not just the items they suggest for you. You can remove things from your cart, and you can add other items from the site to your cart, and that also helps them figure out what sort of things that you would like to get. Shipping is very inexpensive. It is, I believe, it is $2.99 no matter how much you get, which is dirt cheap. But you can also be a VIP member, which I am. It's $20 a year, I believe, $19.99, and sometimes it goes on special. And with that, you get no shipping, no matter how much you order, no shipping charge. And also, they add in free products over the course of the year that add to at least $35. Now, they're all items I use. I'm a big fan of Mrs. Meyers cleaners, and they have a lot of those. And then they have other natural cleaners that I've never tried. They have a lot of other household products as well, but I pretty much stick to the cleaning supplies in my order. Now, what if you don't want to get something every month? Well, before your order ships, they always send you an email to go into your cart. If you don't want anything, just take everything out of your cart and nothing will be sent. All right. So let's see what is here. Mary gave me one of her box openers. All right, let me see if I can get here. I think this is one of her better box openers. Yeah, some of them are pretty dull. This one works pretty well. Now, one thing I get in every box, I never tell them not to send, is the Walnut and Cellulose scrubber sponge. You get 2 sponges in a box, and I believe I got 2 sets of them. And these are my basic everyday dish sponges. They clean up real well, they rinse out real well, they dry real well. Safe to use the walnut scrubber on that side on non-stick surfaces. I love these things. Oh, here's my packing slip, so I can remember what I got. I can never remember what I ordered. Now, here we go. You see the blue tape on them? That is to prevent some of these bottles from spilling in transit. Ooh, these are packed in here. They sent a small box. This stuff I love. Now, I could get this at Target. If I walk into Target just to get this, I will walk out with throw pillows and extra sheets and toys for the grandkids and a DVD of a movie that I don't really want to watch and all sorts of doodads. So it's better for me to get it in here. And because I'm a VIP member, they'll price match. If I see it on sale at Target and send them just a picture of that sale notice, they'll take it off my next order. So nothing to lose by getting my Method glass and surface cleaner from Grove Collaborative. This is in mint scent, and this stuff smells so good. I don't like all the Method cleaners. I find their bathroom cleaners to smell really caustic. They bother me. But this glass and surface cleaner I love. And, ooh, this is something new I'm trying because I'm such a fan of Mrs. Meyers. This is their tub and tile cleaner, and that was just sort of a, I think I'll try this because I'm such a big fan of them. This is the lemon verbena scent, which I really, really like. That's the one I can find most commonly in stores around here. Grove Collaborative has a lot of scents I can't find in local stores, like Basil. This is a regular multi-surface cleaner. And you're probably thinking, basil, that's a weird scent for a cleaner. Oh my gosh, this has become the family favorite. I would not think basil would be a scent. It's fine in your food, but I didn't think it would be one of those refreshing cleaner scents. This is. Another one I really like from Mrs. Meyers is the Radish Scent. You see, why am I getting so many of these? Because we actually go through these. I love these cleaners. We use them a lot. I might not order them next month because this might last me, but I might. The Radish Scent, it's another one I just tried. I said, let me put it in the box and see how it is. Oh my gosh, this smells incredible. And I never would have picked that off a shelf. And here we have the dish soap. I currently have dish soap in Pine, which was one of their holiday scents, which is, oh, to die for, but they don't sell it if it's not near the Christmas holiday, which is unfortunate. I should have gotten a case of it. It smells so good. But I also have it in Bluebell Scent, which is very nice. It smells like the old Ivory soap, like it used to smell back when it was a white goop, which is a really nice smell. It smells a little bit like that, and I like that. And I've gotten it a couple of other scents, but I figured since my family seems to vote for basil being their favorite scent, I would get dish soap in a basil scent. And this was one of the free items, because I do pay that $20 annual fee for free shipping and for the bonuses. Lavender Castile soap. And this is put out by Grove Collaborative. And again, they seal everything up with this blue like painter's tape just so it doesn't come loose and spill all over your box. Birchbox could learn from them. I had a big shampoo spill in my Birchbox. Anyway, I'll give this a try. It was just added in. You don't have to get it if you don't want the add-on, but I'll always take the free add-ons because most of the time they're stuff I'll really use, and sometimes they're things I wouldn't have gotten myself. So that's what's in this month's order. Now let me show you some of the cool doodads I've gotten from Grove Collaborative with some of these cleaners. I've gotten a number of things. I'm just going to show you a couple. Hello, Moose. Moose just walked in, so you might hear barking. This cute little thing. This is just a kitchen scrubber. And here, you know those foundations, those cushion foundations? It's kind of like that, but for dish soap. You put a little dish soap in the bottom, squish, 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 and then you can scrub out your pots and pans. And that's a really cool little thing. This is some kind of a ceramic container. This, I don't know what kind of wood this is, but it is wood, and this is really well made. So that's to scrub my pots and pans. Now this one is a little beat, and I'm sorry, I just took it out of the area by my sink. I used it to clean my cast iron pot, and it's got grease on it. This, there we go. Okay. You see how this comes apart? This is that wooden handle, really nice wood. I want to say it's bamboo, but I'm not sure. I have to check on that. And this slides off, and you can throw it in the dishwasher, which it needs to go in right now. What I do for this is this one, and then you just slide it right back on. Oh, sorry. There we go. There we are. I use this for my cast iron pots because those of you that have seasoned cast iron pots and pans know you don't use dish soap in them. And this thing works great. It takes almost everything out of the cast iron. If I overcook something, I can make sure everything is scrubbed out with this. And then I'll show you one more thing I got with this. Is just a microfiber duster. Same really nice wood handle. This can come off and be thrown in the washing machine. It obviously has been used recently. I went to Target and got a microfiber duster, and it fell apart in about 2 seconds. It really, in fact, every time I dusted, the top came off. This doesn't do that. The one drawback to me is there's not a wand to extend, and there's no place to put one. But this is great for mini blinds, quick dusting. It does a really good job. It's really durable, and you can wash the head. So those are some of the extras I've gotten from Grove Collaborative. I mean, I purchased them, but they have household items like that. But mostly what I subscribe for are the cleaners. So I'm very happy with it. I will have a link to Grove Collaborative below. You can go over there, you can make an order, you can join the VIP program with a trial, like you can get 60 days with no fee at all just to see if you like it, which is a big plus. That's what I did. And or you can just go and order something if you want and see how you like it. But I am very happy with it, and I always have my Mrs. Meyers cleaners on hand. I always have my dish soap on hand. I always have my sponges on hand. And different months I get different items in the box, and I really like getting the kind of free, unexpected things to try out that I get over the course of the year. All right, I will see you soon with a Stitch Fix unboxing.